Hi, my name's Jade Jackson. I'm originally from Peak Hill, Dubbo. I'm a Wiradjuri woman. I currently work at Baabayn Aboriginal Corporation as the coordinator of the Young Mums and Bubs group. The Young Mums group is a place where young women and their children can come together, and we support each other, and we paint, we get together, we do anything artistic, anything that the girls want to learn, different workshops, business workshops, anything that's going to help them build them up as a person.
Hello, my name is Ryan and Roman. I'm from Darwin, Northern Territory, and my mob is from the Central Australia. I'm a proud Warlpiri woman and also from the Torres Strait Islands of Saibai and Murray Island. So when I'm painting, it makes me calm, and I feel that it opens up my soul, and I feel more connected with the painting. So the theme that I've got was wetlands. My painting that I've decided to do was in response to the Baabayn mangroves. The handprints that are on my paintings incorporate the workers that work at Sydney Olympic Park Authority. And then I realised the workers that they were actually they had a part of the Baabayn mangroves. So with these designs here, it's like the handprints are looking after the wetlands, the waterways, and also of the building as such.
Hi, my name is Sheridan Blair. My Aboriginal background is on my grandmother's side is Yuin, and on my grandfather's side is Bunjalung. I've done a representation of the parklands here. It's kind of amazing that we have like such a beautiful parklands just like smack bang in the middle of the city. Like it's growing, it's thriving, it's beautiful, it's lush, it's green, it's taken care of, and that's why I've used so much green because that's normally the first thing that you can see from a distance, and how in a unique way as well the parklands actually have a lot of waterways as well.
My name's Courtney Collier and my mob's from Trangie, and I live in Sydney now. I've always loved water, and I've chosen the water theme because it represents really who I am. I've loved water because it makes me feel like I'm free and it's an escape. So not only are numerous employees from Sydney Olympic Park's handprints on there, but also mine and my son's handprint are on this to tie it together.
The theme of my artwork is places. The circles represent different areas throughout Sydney Olympic Park. My culture, it gives me a sense of belonging. You know, it makes me feel something like I'm a part of. I was the first Aboriginal to graduate Glenmore Park High School, did my HSC. I was proud, I was the first one of my family. I am a mother of a 4-year-old daughter, Kalia Jackson. Kalia, she's dark-skinned, and I don't want her to get picked on or get discriminated against because of the colour of her skin. Like we go to the shop and she'll want a toy, and you get like the black Barbie dolls, and then you get the white ones with the blonde hair, blue eyes, and she always goes for the fair-skinned. And I said, Mum, why don't you pick the little black one? And she's like, no, she's ugly. And I'm like, no, she's not ugly. Like, she looks like you. She's like, I don't look like that. And I'm like, yes, you do. Like, just little things like that. Like, I think society, how can I word that? You look on TV, you see nothing but white people, and my daughter sees that. You don't see a lot of Aboriginal people on like mainstream TV, like, and I think that's where she sort of sees that as the norm. I hope my daughter grows up to be proud of who she is, and that she doesn't feel like she's different or like she's outcast because of the colour of her skin or her culture.